Top of the morning, guys. What is good? What's going on? Let's see if we can get a car or find the car. Now we can do some quick runs, you know, some 40 rolls, 45 rolls. I don't know. I just want to have some fun. I'm kind of bored. So, yeah, guys. Well, I'll be back if I see a car. I think we found one, an Accord. Dude, it's hauling ass. Ah, he's turning. Oh, that sucks. Oh, well. I'm not turning. I'm going straight. I would have gapped him, though. For sure. He got scared.
Your car's smooth as fuck. I be seeing your car every morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you shooting flames?
Yeah.
Yeah, I be seeing you.
Thank you. We might give this Q50 a run. Let them go. Let them go. All right, we're back. We're gonna be running the Q50. Alright, go. That nigga's crazy. That nigga's crazy. I've been getting my roommate, he's just on me. He dipped. That guy is crazy. It is the next day, as you guys can see. Obviously daytime, but Mexico runs, you know, we took a long trip, guys, so just give that thumbs up if you like the content. And, you know, just to help out, since we did take that trip all the way to Mexico, you know, looking for some runs, and we found the Q50. So I've been always wanting to run the Q50 or a Q50, any. I just want to see what this little DE can do versus the, what they have, what is it, VHR, right? Or something like that. It's like a 3.7, I forgot. As you guys can see, I don't really hook from a dig, so I don't really do digs that much anymore, just because I spin first, second, I just can't hook at all. So by the time I hook, they're already gone. It's an automatic car, traction control, the car doesn't spin. But this one, it does spin. So once we get new tires, we'll be good to do some rolls. I mean, we'll be good to do some digs, but then that's when we're going to be breaking axles all the time, and I already break enough of axles. Comment down below, what other cars should we run? You know, some Type R, some Golf, some GTIs. I don't know. Comment down below. Hope you guys do like this video. Let's see who's next on the list and who will be willing to run it. You know, I got my little Evo right here, so, you know, I'll run this one too. But, yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Just remember, guys, God is good. Put him first. Stay blessed. And I'm going to catch y'all later. Peace.